In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance step by step. Whether you're new to cryptocurrencies or simply looking to make your first Bitcoin purchase, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access Binance, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. To do this, head over to Binance.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the registration process, which includes providing some personal information and setting up a secure password. For those who already have an account, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, it's time to deposit funds into your Binance account. Navigate to the Wallet section, then to Fiat and Spot, and select Deposit. Here, you'll need to choose the currency you plan to use for your purchase, such as USD or EUR. Follow the specified instructions for depositing your chosen currency into your account. Next, we need to find a Bitcoin trading pair. In the search bar on Binance, enter BTC to see the available options. Depending on the currency you've deposited, select a trading pair like BTC USDT or BTC EUR. This will bring you to the trading page where you can purchase Bitcoin. Now, let's make your Bitcoin purchase using a market order. In the Buy section, ensure you select Market from the options available. A market order will buy Bitcoin at the current market price, which is great for those who want to make a purchase immediately without worrying about setting a specific price. Enter the amount you want to invest in Bitcoin and click on Buy BTC. Binance will then execute your order at the best available price. After making your purchase, you'll want to check to ensure the Bitcoin has been added to your account. Again, head back to the Wallet section and go to Fiat and Spot to confirm that your Bitcoin balance reflects your recent purchase. It's always a good idea to double-check this, just to be sure everything went smoothly. Finally, let's secure your account to protect your investment. One of the best ways to do this is by enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This feature adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, usually a time-sensitive code, whenever you log in or make significant changes to your account. This makes it much harder for anyone else to access your account without your knowledge. And that's it. You've successfully purchased Bitcoin on Binance. Remember to keep your account secure and stay informed about your investments. Thanks for watching.